You know those places that surprise you? Those that take your breath away? Those places that we see in pictures but don't do it justice? This region is all about this. Full of breathtaking places and landscapes that surpass any mental image you can create before arriving. These were some of the most iconic places on our road trip. Welcome to the lakes of northern Italy. We visited 5 of the most incredible lakes in Italy. In the end, we couldn't decide which one was prettier. We can only advise you to get lost on the roads of this country and explore. We brought postcards to keep and magnets to collect, but above all, we brought the memories of this image to remember forever in our hearts. We'll be back soon, dear Italy.